And we back. Yes, I told you guys we want to be back. If you haven't checked out the previous episode, I know you're like, some people are like, the F is she talking about? But if you watched the previous episode, I started out this, I guess I'll say this series of beauty, of Fenty beauty, you know, review swatch on a dark skinned woman. We started out with Candy Venom. Yes. So stop this video and go back and watch that review because we are moving on. I did a nice little earring change. I told y'all I was doing an earring change because a girl feeling spicy. I done finished having my nice little girl night out with my homegirl. Hey girl, hey. And I'm feeling real energized, okay? I need some hot positivity. This year has been super crazy. So if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Mikara Reid. I'm an image consultant, stylist, creative director. You know, I do retailing. I do a lot of stuff in the fashion industry, but you know, my heart is definitely on the day-to-day presence, a woman's presence. Even if you just want to be a simple casual type of girl, if you are into skincare, girl, come on in, subscribe. If you want to change up your lipstick, girl, let's talk about it because I'm all about lipstick. Anything else related to like makeup, I'm really not that type of girl. I invest a lot in my skincare. So this is my little makeup look. I know it's not a lot, but I like to keep it very close to my skin. If you guys haven't seen my skin, I did do like a journey of my chemical peel journey, so you guys can really see like my face unfiltered, no retouching. Like that's my skin. So my makeup only covers up like my blemishes and stuff like that. So as you can see, one up here, but other than that, I like to keep my face very natural. And definitely a pop of color, because sometimes when I'm at work for production, for styling or anything like that, I have to wear all black, and my pop of color needs to be in my earrings, of course. Well, this video, this is kind of dumbed down for me. If you saw the previous one, I was definitely like, real. And I also add a pop in my lipstick game because I have no hair. So a nice little balance for me is earrings and a good lip color. So for this video, trying to decide, I think we're gonna do Flamingo acids. Yeah, let's try Flamingo acid. So for those who follow me through this journey and actually watch the other previous one, we will be doing some redundant information for those who haven't joined, but for the most part, we got to see how this lip color is looking. So this is the packaging, of course. For those who are not familiar with Fenty Beauty, this is the packaging. I love the packaging. It looks like, it reminds me of like a little cute little cigarette, like. But I don't smoke. I don't like being around smoke, but I think it's super cute. And let's get into this color. Okay, I do not do swatches on my skin only because my foreskin is a different color than my skin on my face, and I personally don't really see a need for that. I actually like to try lipstick on. So anyone that tries to like do it on my foreskin, like I'm not really going to be convinced. So we're going to get right into this color. Okay. It's like a nice little raspberry. Yeah, it's like a nice raspberry type of ordeal. I would definitely wear this a lot in the fall. A nice little romance. So just to give you guys a heads up, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup enthusiast, expert. So this is just a perspective on a person who just wants to up their presence, their everyday look, and just wants to see how these type of colors look on a dark skinned woman like myself. I really like this color a lot. I like this color a lot. Yes, because I'm definitely feeling myself. I didn't even show you guys the color, but that, if you guys can see, that's what it looks like. But I'm feeling Flamingo acid. The color itself is strikingly gorgeous. It goes really good with the color of my nails, which is like my favorite green. My undertone, this is like a lipstick I would probably wear like on that every day. Like I would buy multiple of these just to have like in my car, in my bag, at home, at my man's house. This is definitely like a look that's not too much for me. If I want to throw on like a white tee, a nice pants, and like a nice heel or a nice sneaker, like it's not too much, and I could wear like a nice gold embellished necklace or like a stud or something. But I really like this color. I'm actually very happy that I bought this. You see me feeling myself? Yes. Let me know if y'all feeling it. We're gonna do this. I've already done the test, but I'll definitely do the test again for you guys. But I really think this one is probably highly pigmented. My glass is definitely almost gone, but that's all right. And we're going to do the test on the napkin. I love it. Very highly pigmented, and yeah, it's really like on there. This is definitely like 2 thumbs up and my arms up. Like, I'm feeling this. I'm glad I bought this. Yes, Riri Flamingo acid for the dark skins. Well, for this dark skin. Let me know if you guys are feeling this shade. Let me know if you guys are going to try it. And definitely try the long wear test that I do. I'm a little out there because I just finished having my little girls' night out, and this is the last of my drink. But yeah, long wear test that I do is definitely drinking multiple times. I did not want to mix from the other shades that I have, which was the candy venom that I tried. Yeah, I drink multiple times on a different angle of the glass, just in case you're at an event and you're drinking and you don't want your lipstick to fade. That is definitely a test I do. You can get a glass of water just to see how it is with the cup, and also make sure you actually drink just to see how the liquid and your lipstick corresponds with each other, because your lipstick might dissolve and it's not really long lasting wear like it says. And then another one that I do is what I just said, was kiss yourself. I didn't want to do that because it got kind of messy because I'm a little clumsy. Or if you don't want to kiss yourself, you can get a piece of paper or a tissue or a paper towel and just kiss it and see how it is afterwards, and just just talk and let the lipstick kind of just marinate on your lips. I do it for 30 minutes. I think that's good enough for me. I mean, if I start like singing a song or quoting something and just let it just oxidize, it's like good enough for me to know whether or not it's good. But I've actually tried this formula and it's very, very good. I really like it, but I really love this color. This is definitely a plus. I'm glad I actually tried it. So y'all let me know down below in the comments. Okay, yes, down below in the comments, and definitely like it if you like the color on me. Definitely let me know if you guys are going to try it. out if you're gonna buy. I think it's still on sale. This is not a promo, girl. If this was a promo, yeah, let me know if you guys are going to purchase it, and let me know down below in the comments also if you guys are feeling it on your skin, and if you like the long wear test that I do. All right, stay tuned for my other lipstick reviews. Bye, y'all.